Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. Dear viewers, today I am sharing with you in this videos very beautiful and stylish. You will see in this videos modern haircut designs, gorgeous and stylish. You will see in this videos plus size women's modern bob haircuts, long leads and short leads, attractive different haircut designs for women in 2022. Dear viewers, I have uploaded new stylish girls bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, modern, unique, different haircut designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media account. Lovely viewers, I have uploaded new attractive different haircut designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Do you have new ideas of different haircut designs? Viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how is my videos. So viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new attractive modern plus size women's haircut designs. Viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos and you like this one attractive different haircut design, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. Lovely viewer, you will find hundreds of new stylish and attractive modern women's haircut designs. So if you are a businesswoman, so this getup is look very great and very beautiful for you guys. Viewers, gorgeous and stylish, you will see in this videos different haircut designs. I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends.